Okay, students, in the above, in the above given video, I did some small mistake in fourth sum in third set. That is 7218 by 3 square into 5 square. Okay, how to do this? I will explain one more time. Okay, here these sums. Look at these sums. How to divide how to write given fraction into decimal form without actual division. This is without actual division. Okay, na 13 by 25, you have to write 13 by 5 square. To make it a powers of 10, you have to make it with powers of 10. For that, you have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with 2 square. If you multiply with the 2 square, you will get 5 into 2 whole square. Okay, 10 square. Here 4 into 13, 4 13s are 52 by 100, then you will get 0.52. Okay, here in this sum 2 to the power, it is also in the 8 to the power of n into 2 to the power of n into 5 to the power of m form. Okay, like that. But in this sum, this fourth sum, it is not in the form of 2 to the power of n into 5 to the power of m form. Here additionally we have 3 square. It is not okay. It is not in 2 to the power of n into 5 to the power of m. You have to remove this 3 square first. So you have to divide this 2 square 7218 by this 3 square, that is equal to by 9 7218 by 9 into 5 square. Now cancel this 7218 by 9. 9 8s are 72, 0, 9 2s are 18. Then you will get 802 by 5 square. Okay. To make it a powers of 10, by which number you have to multiply? Here we have 5 square. So you have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 2 square. That is equal to 802 into 2 square by 802 into 2 square by 5 square into 2 square, right? That is equal to 802 into 4, 2 square means 4. So 2 to the power of 2 square into 5 square, that is equal to 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 zeros are 0, 4 8s are 32 by 2 into 5 whole square. Okay, that is equal to 3208 by 10 square. Okay, that is equal to 3208 by 100. That is what here we have 2 zeros. So you have to keep a point after 2 digits from right side, 1 2. 32.08. This is the answer. So you understood what mistake I did in the above sum. Here it is not in the form of 2 to the power of n into 5 to the power of m. So to make it 2 to the power of n 5 to the power of m form, cancel this one by 9. Then you will get this one. To make it a powers of 10, you have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 2 square, because 5 into 2 10 kada దాని గురించి 8 into 2 into 4, 2 square means 4. Then you will get 2 to the power of n 5 to the power of m form. Okay, then 2 into 5 whole square, 10 square will be denominator will be 10 square, that is 100. Okay, now 100 you can simply divide 3208 by 100, you will get 32.08. Okay, you have to do like this some fifth sum also. fifth sum. Where it is? This one. You have to do like that. First you have to factorize this one. You will get factors. 110 prime factorization చేయండి. 2 to powers of 2s to powers of 5s కాకుండా వేరే నెంబర్ కూడా వస్తుంది. అప్పుడు ఆ పై నెంబర్ని ఆ డిఫరెంట్ నెంబర్తో డివైడ్ చేసి అప్పుడు చేయండి. ఓకేనా? Now I am giving you some homework. Look at this homework. This one. This is your homework. Write following rational numbers in decimal form without actual division. And like this, just I told you, explained like that. Second sum, that is in third set, like the third set anamata. This one, first one. Okay, second ఏంటంటే మనకి సరే లైక్ థర్డ్ సెట్ అని రాసుకోండి. దిస్ వన్ like third set. This is like fourth set. Okay, ఇవి which are rationals and which are not right rational numbers in the form of p by q. What can you show? This is like fourth set. Okay, do these homeworks and send me. Okay, good morning.